Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this iRobot Roomba Robotic Vacuum. This is the Roomba 69-2. Really like robotic vacuums. We've had several from several different manufacturers. I've really been happy with most of them, but some are definitely better than others. This is a Wi-Fi compatible one, which is nice. You can control it via a phone app on your iPhone or Android phone very easily. So let's go ahead and pull this out. This does not have a station that empties the bag for you. You do have to manually empty the bag on this version, but there are versions where you can, where it will automatically empty its contents. I shouldn't say bag because they're all bagless now. But let's put that over to the side. You have the charging station right here, the cord to the charging station, a instruction manual, and the vacuum itself. Now, this one's kind of cool in that it's lightweight, easily portable, and it's very quiet, which is nice, so it doesn't wake you up at night, hopefully. You simply have to pull this tab to get this thing started here when you first get it, and then it has these little feet on it for brushing, or I should say foot. Okay, it has a sensor in the front right here. If it hits on something, it turns. If it hits on something over here, it turns, which is nice. The charging, okay, so really easy to use. It has your clean on off button, home button, and mode button. To empty it, you push down on this button on the back, pull this out, and this is where you're just going to empty the contents of the vacuum. It also has a built-in filter on it. You can take that apart and clean it if desired. You just simply pull that out like so. Not hard. First, you should open this door open, and then it's good to clean that every single time you empty it, really. Snaps right in the back there. It's going to go home by itself, which is nice. Really nice, beefy, rubberized, treaded wheels here, so it can really get over deep carpet very easily. Has a nice high-quality brush on it as well. So really works good. Has wireless charging in the bottom here. As you can see, it just turned on. It's going to show you your charged amount and whatnot. So really cool, easy to use, fun, and does a great job.
6. Move Roomba to a new location. Then press clean to restart.
Very cool.